Okay, if you have a Samsung phone, I need you to stop what you're doing for just a minute. Seriously. There is a feature on your device that you have to turn on right now before it's too late. I'm talking about this incredible layer of security that could literally be the difference between finding your lost phone and saying goodbye to it forever.
Just picture it for a second. That sudden heart-stopping panic when you reach for your pocket and it's empty. All your photos, your private messages, your entire digital life just gone. It is an absolute nightmare scenario. But believe it or not, Samsung already has a plan for this exact moment.
And that plan is called Find My Mobile. And no, this isn't some random app you have to go hunting for in the App Store. It's a super powerful tool that's already built right into your Samsung device, just waiting for you to flip the switch. You got to think of it as your phone's hidden lifeline.
So what does it do? Well, at its core, Find My Mobile does exactly what it says on the tin. It gives you the power to locate your phone from another device, like your tablet or computer. It's kind of like having your own personal search party ready to go at a moment's notice.
Okay, so knowing this thing exists is one thing, but it's totally useless unless it's turned on. So why don't you grab your phone and let's actually enable this feature together, right now. I promise it only takes a minute.
All right, first things first, pop open your main settings app. You should see your Samsung account right there at the top. Go ahead and give that a tap. Once you're in there, just scroll down a little bit until you spot the Find My Mobile option.
Okay, pay attention because this is the most important part. You're going to see a toggle that says allow this phone to be found. You have to make sure that is flipped to on. This one little tap is what brings the entire system to life.
But wait, don't stop there. Activating the main feature is awesome, but there are two more options right below it that take this from a good security feature to an absolutely fantastic one. So let's power it up.
First up is Send Last Location. Now, this solves a huge problem, right? What happens if your phone's battery dies? Well, with this turned on, your phone will automatically send its final location to the server right before it shuts down. That gives you one last crucial clue to go on. Pretty smart.
But this next one, offline finding, oh, this is the real game changer. This lets your phone be found even if it's not connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. How? It's genius, really. It uses a secure, totally anonymous network of other nearby Galaxy devices to report its location back to you. It's an incredibly clever system.
So let's do a quick final check. You want to see these three options all toggled on. Allow this phone to be found, that's your foundation. Send last location, that's your low battery insurance policy. And offline finding, that is your superpower for when it's off the grid.
And that's it. That's literally it. In probably less than 60 seconds, you've gone from just, hoping you don't lose your phone to having a solid, concrete plan of action if you ever do.